Hey guys, so today we're going to go back over the 4 different types of ocean currents, what they are, how they move, and what kind of weather they bring. So first we're going to start off with the Gulf Stream. So what is the Gulf Stream? It's a warm ocean current in the Atlantic Ocean. So it's unusual. Thinking of El Nino. A warm ocean current in the Atlantic Ocean. The Gulf Stream flows from the south of Florida up the east coast and then across the Atlantic towards Europe. So this is what keeps the U.S. eastern coast mild and warm. This is why the coast of North Carolina is warmer than where we live in western North Carolina. So what effect does the Gulf Stream have on weather? The Gulf Stream warms the air and land along the eastern coast of the U.S. and brings warmer temperatures to Europe during the cooler months. So remember that the Gulf Stream travels up from Florida, from the Gulf of Mexico, and warms the eastern North Carolina coast as well as the U.S. eastern coast. It keeps it mild and warm. So here we have a picture. You can see right here that it's coming up this way. It's a warm current, and this is what warms the eastern part of the United States and keeps it warmer than, let's say, over here. Okay. Here we have Charlotte, North Carolina. Go back. Why does this always happen? Oh, there we go. Okay. We have Charlotte, North Carolina right around here, and it is cooler than these eastern North Carolina towns and counties where the beaches are because of this Gulf Stream. So this is a thermal image of the eastern coast of the United States and the Atlantic Ocean. What do the colors represent, and where is the Gulf Stream? So the colors are representing that warm ocean current that is moving up. So what is the Gulf Stream? The Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current in the Atlantic Ocean that flows north from the equator along the eastern coast of the U.S., and it keeps the U.S. eastern coast mild and warm. So next we're going to talk about the El Nino. So this is a climate pattern representing an unusual warming of the Pacific Ocean, which is linked to impacts on weather and climate patterns around the world. It brings more rainstorms and higher temperatures. So this is a climate pattern where the water in the Pacific Ocean near the equator gets hotter than usual and affects the atmosphere and weather around the world. El Nino climate conditions occur every few years and they are not predictable. So it's very difficult to know when the El Nino will be happening. Next is La Nina. So this is a climate pattern representing an unusual cooling of the Pacific Ocean, which is linked to impacts on weather and climate patterns around the world. La Nina is the opposite of El Nino. During a La Nina, the water in the same area along the equator gets colder than usual. According to scientists, La Nina cycles generally create a more active hurricane season in the Atlantic, and it creates extreme storms for dryness in the United States. So the difference between El Nino and La Nina is El Nino is the unusual warming of water in the Pacific Ocean, while La Nina is the unusual cooling of water in the Pacific Ocean. The El Nino brings lots of rain and higher temperatures, while the La Nina creates dryness and extreme storms like hurricanes. Okay. That is all we're going to be talking about today. Don't forget the jet stream, which is a fast-moving tube of air that flows from west to east above the United States. Above the jet stream is cold, below the jet stream is warm. It moves west to east. All right, thank you guys.